Hello paper crafters, Olga here. I'm so happy to announce that the new video tutorial is now available at Craft World. This time I'll be using the dies from Quintessential Conservatory release to create a Chinese pavilion. These dies are extremely versatile. You can adjust them to any occasions just by adding different elements. This time I have added some hanging lanterns, and I have also chosen to stick to red and gold color scheme to create an oriental feel. As always, there is a special offer waiting for you. This time it goes like this: buy any die set from Quintessential Conservatory release and get 40% off any of the word panel dies. Down below in the description box you can find a direct link to the tutorial, a promotion code, as well as the full list of all the supplies used. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day, and don't forget to head over to Craft World to check out the full tutorial. Bye bye!